Welcome to Going Steady. My name is Marcus.
And my name is Shamali.
If this is your first time watching and you'd like to learn more on how to maintain a healthy relationship, hit the subscribe button.
If this is not your first time,
it's about time
you
hit it.
Do opposites really attract? Psychologists say that sometimes you can be attracted to someone who is nothing like you. This is because subconsciously you're looking for someone with the qualities that you would want for yourself. So if the question is just about attraction, then
yeah, of course.
It's exciting to explore out of your comfort zone.
However, scientists have found that people are only attracted to those who share the same values and views as they do.
This makes sense.
Because this will validate what this person believes in and strengthen their values and personality. So why should romantic relationships be any different?
Well, Amos 3 verse 3 says, "Can two walk together lest they agree?" So it's true that people can have different interests and still have a good long-lasting relationship or even friendship. Because, individuality is important, but too opposite isn't good for any relationship.
There are just certain key things that you must agree on or have similarity in order to have compatibility
and chemistry. So we hope you enjoyed our video on whether or not opposites do attract and whether or not that's really important for relationships.
So please like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. Give us a comment. Let us know what you thought about this video.
Shout out to On the Lock Journey. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.
Big up yourself on the Lock Journey.
If you want to shout out, all you have to do is screenshot this moment, and we need the actual picture, guys. Like screenshot it with your phone or whatever you're using.
Yeah, because we're that cute,
And post it down below, and we will give you a shout out in our next video. So thank you for watching. Until next time, keep going steady.